This is Oppo Pad Air, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can check how much internal storage you have on this device. So to start, you will need to launch settings, then enter the About Device category, and over here as you can see there is the separate storage section, which even from here shows the general idea about how much storage or memory you have in general and how much of it is currently occupied. But upon tapping at this rectangle, you will be forwarded to the following storage page, which provides you with more detailed information on what is your storage occupied by exactly. And well, you can open each individual section and see the files that the storage is occupied by. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.